Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a fun little Tuesday tip for you. If you are like myself and you love the Scentsy cleaning line, anywhere from dishes all the way to your laundry, you're gonna wanna listen up because I've got a fun little tip for you. My husband and I have actually been talking about this for a little bit now, and we have found a really fun little hack, I guess, if you will. So with our laundry line, you will always get a pump with your laundry liquid as well as with your Scent Soft. One thing that Sean and I have actually talked about quite a bit is like, why is there not like more of like a refill kind of option that doesn't come with the pump? Because if you are using this as much as we do, then when you're done with the pump, you're just tossing it. So it would be nice if there was like a different like refill option, so that way you're not tossing these pumps all the time. So I found myself another use for them, and I'm really excited because if you guys know me, I love my dish soap. For the Scentsy dish soap, you can use our laundry liquid pumps in our dish soap. How awesome is this? So the dish soap is for your dishes, obviously, and this works so well. It suds up like crazy. It will get off any of your super caked on foods. If you have baked a casserole and you've got baked on cheese and all of that goodness, the really tasty stuff is super hard to get off, right? So you can just use this and it works like a charm each and every time. And obviously it smells amazing. The one thing that I didn't ever love was that with our dish soap, it actually comes with this style lid. It's just a pop open lid. So you've got this little hole here that will obviously squirt out your soap, which is fine. A lot of different cleaning products, different soaps come with this kind of delivery system. I have always missed our first dish soap, our kitchen soap, came with a pump, and I loved it because I just felt like it was so much easier. It was less messy. This thing is kind of a pain to get open when your hands are wet. So I love the pump system way better. And so I was like, well, I wonder if it'll work. It totally works. So when you are done using the pump from your laundry liquid, totally use it in your dish soap. This is fantastic. The one thing I do want to tell you though is that if you are going to use this system, this pump method, still keep your cap, because here's the thing. So this is what we're looking at in terms of size. So obviously the top of this is going to screw on just perfectly, but your little tube straw situation here is not going to come all the way down to the bottom. So you are still going to be left with a little bit of product down here at the bottom, about that much. That's when you're gonna wanna break out your lid that it came with, and then you can squirt out the rest of your product. But in the meantime, it's gonna be so much nicer just to be able to take your dish soap, squirt it in the sink, squirt it on your dishes, wherever you are using it, and just work away. This is so much better. So I am super happy. Gives me another way to use these pumps rather than just throwing them away. So I wanted to share that with you. I know this is a crazy, super quick video, but like I said, I just wanted to share this little Tuesday tip with you guys. If you have kind of had the same feelings, let me know. If you already figured this out and if you already use this, good for you. Let me know. Help a sister out here. But yeah, let me know if you have already kind of started doing something like this, or even if you transfer this into a different bottle and use it that way. I like the looks of the bottle. The bottle itself is pretty, but I have always wanted more of a pump style rather than this situation here. And hey, if it means that I can reuse some of my pumps, definitely gonna use that. I'm all for that. So that is awesome, and I just wanted to share it with you. If you are newer to Scentsy and didn't know that there are cleaning products, you can even bundle these items. The dish soaps are $10, and then the laundry liquid is $16. But you can bundle these, not together, but there are different like dish soap bundles, and then same with laundry liquid bundles, or you can even do the whole laundry love bundle. If you are, like I said, if you are newer to Scentsy or didn't know anything about these cleaning products, I do have a whole separate video on the Laundry Love bundle where I talk more in depth about the laundry line. So I will link that video down below if you are interested, but these products work amazing. So it was kind of fun to find this little, I don't want to call it a hack, but because it's not a hack, it's just an easier way to use your product, I feel like. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Tuesday. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.